Afternoon, everyone. I just wanted to quickly chat about two processes in the weight loss processes I do. One's called Apple Day and one's called Steak Day. Both of these are part of HCG, but I've found that they work just as well with any weight loss process that people are doing, and I'll explain why. So Dr. Simeon's found that during the HCG process, in order to retrain your fat cells to be the new size they are, at the end of weight loss, we need to retrain the cells. So if we go out for the weekend, we have a great weekend, we drink too much, we eat too much, fatty, carby foods, pizzas, beers, whatever, then the fat cells can actually bloat temporarily. We need to bring them back down to their little size. So what Dr. Simeon's found, and don't forget he died 44 years ago, so it's quite amazing that he came up with these solutions 45 to 65 years ago. He found that an apple day, the pectins in an apple help to sop up fat in the gut and bind it, take it out. So a apple day is eating nothing but up to 6 apples between, say, 12 p.m. lunchtime and about 6 p.m. in the afternoon. That way you've got 6 hours, so you're basically doing intermittent fasting. It's like 600 calories, you drink plenty of water, and then the next day you wake up and generally some of the weight has shifted. So that's one thing, that's the apple day. And some of my clients love that when they're just trying to, shift a little bit of weight, and because they can easily get through the morning if they're having plenty of, lemon water, apple cider vinegar and water, that sort of thing, and then just, keep those beautiful, delicious apples for that afternoon, and then they, go to sleep and wake up and it's all feeling a bit better. And the second one is a steak day. Now, what a steak day is basically, once again, you're using your whole day without food. So once again, you can drink water, black coffee, lemon water, apple cider vinegar and water, all those sort of things. And then at night time, so you don't eat anything all day. And then at night time, you enjoy a nice big steak. Obviously not good for the vegans and vegetarians. And I suppose the closest equivalent would be tofu or tofu for vegans, but basically a steak day is sort of having, say, a 200-300 gram steak and a nice green leafy salad. I think Dr. Simeon's always recommended either an apple or a tomato, but I'm not sure what his reasoning was in that, but basically an apple and, something really simple. So, and then basically once again, because you've done intermittent fasting for the entire day, you've burnt up calories that have built up in your thing. So at the end of a weight loss process, you want to be weighing yourself every day. I believe in weighing every day when you're trying to lose weight. So you want to weigh every single day, and if your weight goes up more than 900 grams on a day, then you need to do a reset process of either an apple day or a steak day to bring you back down, and that just gets the fat cells, because fat cells have habits like everything else. So bring them back into size. Life is good. Take care.